What is the domain of g of x? We're going to assume that the domain is a set of real numbers except those real numbers that make the denominator 0. So we need to know what numbers, if any, to exclude from the domain. Let's set the denominator equal to 0 to find out what values make the denominator 0. Now notice we have a quadratic equation, so let's try and factor the left side. That will be x and x. Factors of 3 whose sum is 4, that would be 3 and 1. And then we set each factor equal to 0. Well, if I set this factor equal to 0, notice x is equal to negative 3. If I set this factor equal to 0, I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and I'll have x is equal to negative 1. So notice what we know so far. If x is negative 1, the denominator is 0, and this rational expression is undefined. If x is negative 3, the denominator is 0, this rational expression is undefined. So what will we let the domain be? The domain will be the set of all x such that x is a real number and what? And x is not equal to negative 1. Also, x is not equal to negative 3. Any other real numbers, except for these two, any other real numbers are okay values for x.